Hi, hello. We are here again in Negros Oriental, the Philippines, in Valencia. And we would like to show you today two springfall close to the place where we live here up in the mountains. One is called the
Old Casororo
and the other one
is the new Casororo.
is the new Casororo. And the difference between the two, it's here up the hill, we will show you, is the old Casororo is not explored. That was before people visit this, and many people they was there said it's more nice, it's more natural, it's not overcrowded. And the second one, the Casororo, is in the end of the street. There is a big restaurant we will show you later, and this more explored. That means you have to pay for the
Tour guide.
tour guide. Yeah, and that's what we show you in this film now. So stay with us. And now you harvest a coconut, Rose.
Yeah.
We are thirsty now. We harvest the Rose climb up the tree and we harvest a coconut, and then later we go to the springfall. Okay, thank you. So now we are walking up the hill a little bit. It's not so far from the place where we live. And yeah, it's 500 meters, and then we come to the entrance to the old Casororo, okay? Hello, children are harvesting rambutan, eating rambutan, sige? Hello, this is the man who charged the entrance, and it's so cheap here. Okay, Salamat for fixing the road. He is the one who fixed the way always, so we can go up and down. Salamat. Yeah, we paid 50 peso entrance fee for each. That's quite cheap, or that's less than $1. And now we are going into the jungle. Here you can see the valley, the rocks and the sea down there, Dumaguete City. And we have to go down here. Down is the river. And that's the walkway. Going down here is the sand sacks. It's very good prepared until now. Already from the river. It's a little bit, it was raining last day, it gets a little bit slippy here, the stones. There's a rope you can hold your Hi, it's really very nice down here, very fresh wind from the river. And we speak with that Philippine guy, you know, and he said we have to go up this way 400 meter and there is a spring fall. It's a little bit tricky the way here, but it's possible to do. And it's so nice down here. We have to go this way up here and then over this small bridge to the other side and then up 400 meters. Amazing! It's a long way after hiking up here, maybe 500 meters you must hike up the river. But then comes this amazing waterfall. It's really high, it's very loud here, but a very nice experience here. Very nice. Now we are back from the old Casororo from our hiking, and now we talk about the experience, how it was. It was really very nice, but some bridges to cross the river are very small, you know, and I know I'm 62 already, you know, but I did my whole life sport, so you need to have a balance a little bit. And it's slippy on the stones. The bridge is small, so it's an adventure, you know.
Action.
It's action actually to go all up the river to the real big waterfall. But once you did it, you get so lucky up there. There's so many power where a big waterfall comes down, and it's amazing. It's really nice, really nice. If you go to that old Casororo, I would say.
So
You need
amazing views.
you need to take at least 3 or 4 hours time because you have to go down 20 minutes, then you have to go up. It's just 500 meters, but it's crossing the river many times. It's between the rocks, and so you have to take 3 or 4 hours time to really enjoy that place. And when you come back, you have to go back up from the river, up the valley, up to the street. You know, you need to have power to go up
Yeah,
when
long
it's
trails.
finished. Okay? So
Yeah.
what is your
Yeah, it's so nice there, and if you want to go there, you need to take time because there's so many views. If you like to make video or pictures, you need to have more time to enjoy because of my experience. I would like to stay there more time, but we come on a late time, so must enjoy the place, the view,
yeah, must enjoy. To
the
enjoy, take 4 hours. I think you should have.
the river, the rock formation,
Yeah,
and so nice on the in the end. Really waterfalls. There's a cave, and the rocks have many nice view and the trees. So nice.
that's so nice. Yeah.
Okay.
That is the end of our film. Now it's raining, and in the next film we go to the new Casororo or to the Casororo that is more explored. There's a restaurant, and you have to walk down also.
Yeah.
But I expect it's not the same like we was on the old Casororo.
More
So-
nicer on Old Casororo.
So thank you for watching this time. And if you don't want to miss the next film, just subscribe and put the thumb up or whatever.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it will be always interesting if you go somewhere. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.